Četvrti Limenka Teatar Fest je... Počeo!
Ken Theater Fest, September 2025. Serbia, the heart of Serbia, the capital of the great Prince Lazar, Kruševac. On the Actors Square in the theater, a special world is being created. Small but strong, simple yet deeply human. Ken Theater Fest. A place where good ideas and honest effort move people. It all began in Novi Sad in 2022. Continued in Sombor in 2023. Shown in Kikinda in 2024. And sparkled in Kruševac in 2025. 4 cities, thousands of cans, thousands of smiles, and one idea. Art teaches people how to take care of the planet. Ken Theater Fest brings together what rarely coexists in one breath: education, ecology, and economy. The festival is a place where recycling shows its true meaning and where art becomes a movement. Like nature, the festival is reborn, grows, and constantly renews itself. Here, money has no value. A theater ticket is an empty used can. 5 empty cans became 1 ALU COIN, a unique socially responsible currency born from recycling and imagination. With it, children buy books, portraits, and tickets. But in truth, they are buying knowledge, play, and trust. Here, they learn that a can is not waste, it is raw material. A small circle, which when completed, makes the world better. In Kruševac 2025, 11 plays were performed. Theaters from 8 countries participated. Over 4,500 young spectators share the same emotion with actors, organizers, and the audience. 13,000 ALU coins were exchanged. 65,000 cans collected, a full ton ready for recycling. Theater is not just entertainment. It is a lesson in empathy and togetherness. Behind the festival stand companies, schools, and cities, all united in the mission to show that sustainability is not a strategy, but an emotion, a value, and a responsibility. Ball Corporation, the Every Can Counts program, Knjaz Miloš, Worth Serbia, OTP Bank, Klet, Jazak Water, Transfera, Kruševac Theater, and the city of Kruševac all strive toward the same goal: to make recycling a symbol of progress. Artists from 7 countries: Slovakia, Hungary, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Montenegro, North Macedonia, and Peru, come to Serbia. All speak the same language, the language of theater. And so, from city to city, from idea to action, Ken Theater Fest continues its journey. It shows that art can breathe with nature, that culture can become economy, and that every can become part of a bigger picture. Art is not only to be watched, read, or listened to. It protects, connects, and inspires. Ken Theater Fest, the place where art protects the planet.
I četvrti Limenka Teatar Fest je...
Završen!